Coconut oil has been praised as a miracle ingredient in skincare, but is it truly the ultimate solution for your face? With summer and spring bringing heat, humidity, and skin concerns like sunburns, dehydration, and breakouts, let's explore whether coconut oil is the skincare hero you need, or if it's better suited for specific skin types. Coconut oil is packed with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, making it a favorite in DIY skincare routines. It's known for its ability to deeply nourish and lock in moisture, making skin feel soft and supple. But with warmer weather, is it still a good choice? Let's break it down. While coconut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer, it has a thick and occlusive nature, meaning it can trap heat and sweat, something you don't want during hot, humid weather. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, using coconut oil in summer can clog pores and cause breakouts. But for those with dry or sensitive skin, a light layer of coconut oil can help protect against sun damage and calm irritation. The trick is using it sparingly and choosing the right type. To make coconut oil work for your summer and spring skincare routine, here's how you should use it. 1. As a natural makeup remover, coconut oil effectively melts away sunscreen, dirt, and waterproof makeup without harsh chemicals. Simply massage it onto dry skin and wipe it off with a damp cloth. 2. As a sunburn soother. Got a little too much sun? Coconut oil mixed with aloe vera can calm redness, reduce peeling, and deeply hydrate your skin. 3. As a gentle lip balm. The heat can leave lips chapped and dry. A dab of coconut oil keeps them soft and hydrated. 4. As a nighttime hydration boost. If your skin is on the drier side, use a small amount before bed for deep nourishment. Avoid this step if you have acne-prone skin. Coconut oil is highly comedogenic, meaning it can clog pores for some people. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, it's best to avoid using it directly on your face. Instead, opt for lightweight alternatives like aloe vera gel, rosehip oil, or squalane oil, which provide hydration without clogging pores. So, is coconut oil a miracle for facial treatments? It depends on your skin type and how you use it. In the hot months of spring and summer, it's best for dry and sensitive skin when used in moderation. But for oily and acne-prone skin, lighter alternatives might be a better fit. Would you try coconut oil for your skin this summer? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. See you in the next one.